Well, in a bit of a summer news coming in for the employees from the IT sector, Infosys seems to have cut down their variable pay. Remember at the start of the year, they were talking about a 70% variable payout. It dipped to 65% in the second quarter, and now we understand that the company is planning to only give 60% of the variable payout with the Q4, kind of payout that the company is planning. Remember, the IT sector has been going through a lot of headwinds. For Infosys itself, it managed to miss the guidance when it comes to the FY23 performance. For FY24, they've already given a very tepid guidance of around 4 to 7%, and that's the reason the stock has been under pressure as well. And now we understand that the company is also looking at cutting the employee expenses in a way by cutting the variable costs. Overall for the sector wave, as it is seen that the fresher addition has actually seen quite a bit of decline already. In fact, in the year gone by, we had seen massive amounts of hiring happening in the year 2022, but now as we stare into 2023, all the IT companies have managed to slow down their hiring by quite a bit. In fact, many of the IT companies reported a headcount decline on a sequential basis. A couple of reasons for that. Attrition has come off. So whatever was the pressure with respect to the supply side has abated substantially. Remember earlier we had seen attrition figures as high as 25%. That subsided to around 20%. And now this entire headline with respect to job cuts happening everywhere, especially in the tech and the startup world, that's having a rub-off impact on the tech world as well. Overall, globally as well, we have seen that the discretionary spend around technology is lowering, given the recessionary pressures as well as the headwinds that we are seeing in a lot of economies. And as a result of that, the IT companies are buckling their belt already and trying to cut down their spend. So they have become very, very conscious when it comes to their fresh hiring. And similarly, with respect to the variable payout as well, they have become very conscious, because when the attrition was very high, we had seen 2 to 3 rounds of increments happening within the year itself. That has also completely normalized. The companies are now talking about a very, very normalized wage inflation anywhere between 5 to 8%. And earlier we had seen a number close to double digit when it comes to wage inflation as well. So this entire slowdown is having ripple effects in various forms. So there's job addition is slowing down. There are job cuts in a lot of companies. And for some of the IT majors, we have seen lowering of the variable payout. Infosys is just the latest candidate, wherein they are talking about a 60% variable payout. Wipro had already announced that they're looking at perhaps a 80% variable pay, and Wipro has been in the news on account of the delayed job offers and reduction in the job offers that they had made earlier. TCS, in the last announcement that they had made at the time of Q3, had maintained 100% variable payout, but it remains to be seen what they do for Q4 as well. So a lot of this somber news coming in as far as the headcount trend is concerned from the IT and software majors, which are one of the biggest job creators when it comes to the service industry in India.